Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn Seagraves and we're going to be walking through one of the newest Sea Ray models that came to market. This is the new Sea Ray 260 SLX, and what's special about this one, it is configured to surf. We've got a reverse drive on the boat, so the drive is facing forward. It gives you some extra space back there and it allows it to be a little bit safer when you are riding behind the boat doing all of your water activities. You'll have a nice big sun pad back here when you're docked or when you are at anchor. You can hang out, have some cup holders, USB chargers, and a radio control unit. When it comes time to have some shade, you do have an extendable shade. Gives you a little bit more shade out the back. While we're talking about the tower and some of the upgrades it has, this does have a power tower, so at the touch of a button, your tower will oscillate and fold flat down. It'll come right down to the windshield level and it's safe to maneuver the boat. I wouldn't go full speed with it up or with it down, but it will be able to get under some bridges and get it onto the trailer. In here we do have a nice big seating area for about 6 in the back. You have some cup holders, some nice finishing, diamond stitching, and then 2 big captain's chairs. The screen, this is going to be powered by twin Simrads. You're going to have the Fusion radio system, and I kind of like how on the right hand of the steering wheel they do angle all of the switches out, so it's a little bit easier to get to them. This one will come with a very large storage unit over here on the side. Currently we have the covers in there. So we move forward on the boat, you will have a wonderful space up here. This gives you a lot of extra room. While you're out surfing, while you're out and wanting to enjoy the sun, you can lounge out. You have armrest, cup holders, bunch of lighting, and the leather wrapped handles. This boat is for sale here at Lake Lanier, Georgia, and we'd love to help you out. Give us a call and we'll talk with you about this boat.